slime. And basically, you know, it's the last time we're gonna have our decorations and our cheesy pickup line. And speaking about the cheesy pickup line, today is, are you can of slime? Because you are lit. Guys, what the heck happened to the sign? Okay, well, anyways, shout out to Christina Martinez, but anyways, I don't know what this is, guys. It was, are you can of slime because you were lit, but now it is, have you ever made slime? Because I haven't, and I really don't know what that is, and that doesn't even Oh, Grandma, no! Oh, you dropped my phone!
Oh, sweetie, this hoverboard thing is dangerous. Oh, okay, we're good.
Oh, Grandma, what are you doing here?
I came to help you make slime.
Do you know anything about this?
Nope.
Okay. It kind of doesn't make any sense. It kind of sucks. What? Okay, well, I guess change of plans, guys. It's gonna be making giant Valentine's Day slime with Grandma Berta.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Isn't that great?
Uh-huh.
Woohoo. All right. Okay, well, Grandma, do you know what we're doing?
Yep.
Okay, what are we doing?
Making giant slime.
All right. Okay, high five. Too slow.
Let's go.
And today's like fun job's gonna be, well, actually, Grandpa, since you are here, you can sit like my job.
Oh yeah, I've been waiting for this one for a long time. Yeah. So what you wanna do is gonna grab the nearest thing next to you and throw it across the room.
Grandma!
And then press the like button. Like.
Okay, well, if you don't want to throw whatever you have, you don't have to, okay, guys? But if you do, make sure you comment down below what you threw, because I kind of want to know if you like threw a pillow or a pen or I don't know, something.
A bowl of spaghetti.
A bowl of spaghetti?
A bowl of hot soup.
I don't think they're gonna throw a bowl of hot soup.
I think they will.
So that is it, guys. Let's get straight on to the video. Grandma, did you really have to throw all of these?
I was just showing the kids how they're supposed to do it.
Okay, well, Grandma, go get your box now, I guess.
This is my box.
Grandma! I got my box, Grandma, and I also got some glitter. Okay.
Oh, what are you doing?
Okay, I also got some glitter, guys, and some food coloring.
Thank you.
Grandma, they're for everybody.
No. No.
Okay, now we need our glue.
I'm awfully sorry.
Okay, we got our clear glue.
Get in here.
And our borax. Okay, wait, Grandma.
No, I'm not waiting.
Okay, we gotta put you to decorations now. Really, Grandma? Okay, so I guess I was gonna race Grandma, but apparently she don't want to.
No, I did, and I won. It's not my fault you didn't know we were starting.
By the way, guys, we're using clear glue because I feel like it's just like more festive that way and you can see the stuff more. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add our food coloring. So I'm gonna make mine pink.
I'm making mine green. I'm making it blue.
Calm down, Grandma Berta. I know you're gonna... That's way too little, Grandma. I think you should put a lot more.
I know.
Stop! Stop!
There's no more. I'm sorry.
Okay, start mixing. Next up, okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put our glitter. So I'm gonna put a bunch of glitter. So we're gonna put some white glitter.
Whoa!
So
Look at that! That's the way, I like it,
Okay, I'm gonna put some purple glitter, guys, and I just realized that that's probably not gonna go along with my whole
yeah, it's gonna look a little ugly.
I'm gonna put some silver glitter.
Let me tell you, that purple, I mean orange, I mean blue, I mean gold.
That goes really pretty, what do you mean? Okay, oh my god, guys, look at how pretty it is. You don't wanna add anything else, like these hearts, or like these hearts right here?
No.
I'm gonna add a bunch of these red hearts we got.
Yeah.
I'm putting a lot of hearts in mine, guys. I want it to be filled. This one's gonna be called Filled with Love. Guys, I'm afraid I put too much glitter and it's like making it look too dark.
So you're putting slime in the hearts?
Yeah.
Nice.
Did you just compliment my slime?
No!
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start activating mine now. And let's start mixing and mixing and mixing. Ooh, mine looks cool, guys. Look at it.
Mine looks cooler. Look at mine.
What is that? How does that look like Valentine's Day?
Poor jellyfishes.
Oh my god! Look at my slime! Look at my slime! Whoa! Look at my
Are you mocking me?
No!
Okay, I see how it is. Oops!
No, Grandma!
Yes, Grandma! Just for mocking me!
3 weeks later.
Okay, guys, look at my slime. It looks so pretty.
No, it doesn't. Look at mine!
It has so many hearts and stuff. Jeez. That was cool, Grandma.
Thank you. This looks like whale fat.
How do you know what whale fat looks like, Grandma?
I once lived in a whale.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
It's so pretty. No! No! Wait, where? No!
Can you clean up your mess? Thank you.
Okay, well, let's do some ASMR now. Okay, I go first.
Me
I go first.
first. What the heck? I have to put in this mess?
Yeah.
But that's not mine. That's yours.
Well, you're just gonna have to deal with it, Grandma.
Okay. Get out of here. All right. This is how you do it. Oh, yeah. You can really feel the adrenaline pumping when you do this.
You're not supposed to. It's supposed to be relaxing and soothing. Ow! Why is your slime leaking? Girl, careful.
Yeah, that was hot, wasn't it?
Grandma, I think it's my turn now, so.
All right, you can go ahead.
Okay, cool.
But you gotta keep this one right there. All right, you gotta keep all this exactly how it looks. It looks like art.
Okay. Can I move it, please?
No.
I'll give you $10.
All right.
We're gonna move your beautiful art over here.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Okay, let me do my ASMR now. Guys, look at how pretty it is! Yes! Okay, guys, is it just me or are these like hearts so like they're just so like they're crazy? Grandma, I'm trying to do ASMR.
Continue.
Guys, it's so pretty.
Oh, God.
Look at how cool they look. I just can't with these hearts, guys. I'm definitely gonna get more of these hearts and I'm gonna be putting them in a lot more slimes.
Oh, God.
Grandma, what is that?
Cheese.
I don't think you're supposed to eat it like that.
Uh-huh. Like a cheese stick.
Like string cheese?
Yeah, like that.
Okay, guys, I cannot. Like, Grandma, don't these hearts look so pretty?
Yeah, sweetie.
Grandma's actually nice to me.
No, you're being sarcastic.
Okay, well, this I think looks so pretty. You guys comment down below who you thought won this one. I think I won. You guys comment down below #2 Ameerah or.
So I am the one who won here. So if I see you that you comment Team Ameerah, I'm coming for you. Wait, can I get some pink paint? I want to put pink paint in mine.
Paint? It kind of doesn't make any sense. It kind of sucks. What?
I'm out of here!
Alright guys, well if you like this video, make sure you comment down below #part2. And also what other holidays you want us to do and if you want more Grandma Berta. And yeah, that is it guys. Thank you so much and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!